Hello everyone, welcome to our high pressure casting workshop. And behind me is for our automatic rotated toilet high pressure casting lines. And in this high pressure casting lines, the toilet body is made by automatic rotated, and then he threw the belt to another workshop and bonded with the toilet bodies, and then the workers to work out the home toilet green body. And for this hyper cutting line, its efficiency is very high. It can save labor's cost, and it can work every 3 minutes for once working. And this line's machine is designed by our sales factory called Sunlight. Sunlight was built 2006 because we have 3 founders. Is for our core advantage in Sunlight's group. And our 3 founders, one expert in raw material slurry and raw material R&D research and development. One founder is expert in manufacturing the ceramics equipment. One founder is expert in for the management the factory. So as a co-advantage, we can control the toilets and the ceramics products high quality, control the high quality to make sure our goods is very good quality to improve our production efficiency. And this is our high pressure casting for toilet line. Thank you for sharing me. Thank you.